Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I'm glad to know that I hope everyone's doing quite well this morning. And I'm trying to get ready to get just a little bit of Sunday dinner. So I'm going to make today, I'll be making a new version, another dressing that I'll be making. So I'm getting ready now to read my scripture. Okay, and I'm taking it from Isaiah 40:31. Those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on their wings as like an eagle. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. So thank you, verse Isaiah 40:31. Thank you this morning. All right. So I'm getting ready to make another homemade version of dressing that I'm making. Okay, this morning I had some leftover cornbread it's about a pan full of leftover cornbread that I've had from last week. And I had some pack of chicken wings. And then I boiled them in the water, and I pulled them off which was small. I pulled them off of the bones. And okay.
And she made her own chicken broth.
Okay, this is my chicken broth that I made out of the wings that I cooked. And I'm going to be using a half a can of cream of chicken soup, half a can of mushroom, a half a can of celery, and a half a can of cream of onion. I'll be using still a little bit of onion, my onion powder, complete, and the black pepper, and also the garlic powder. And so this is what I'm getting ready to get started. I've already poured in.
And y'all, if you don't, she can't eat sage. So please, if you want sage and poultry seasoning in your dressing, please put it in there. And she have said many times, and please don't come with the rude comments. We really appreciate it. Because she can't eat it and she don't put it in her dressing. And I appreciate y'all. She's going to be 83 years old. Please have a little respect. Thank you.
Okay. So now this is the broth that I made from the chicken wings. Okay, I'm going to put just a little bit in there. I've already did a half a cup. I had 1/2 cup of just the regular chicken broth. That was all I have in here. So that's all. Now I'm using the rest of the broth that I made. Okay. So I'm going to put a half a can of onion soup. Okay. Cream of onion, rather. Okay. Half a can. Cream of chicken, half a can. Cream of mushroom, half a can. And a half a can cream of celery. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to kind of just spread this on top. I'm going to put just a little bit of onion powder in it. I want you all to know you season your food on the way that you want it, because I don't know how much you'll be using. So that's why I'm doing the way that I want to, what I'm using with the amount of what I have. Okay. Okay. That's the complete. A little black pepper. A little garlic powder, which is usually about a teaspoon or 2 tablespoons or something of that sort. Okay. And if I need any more, it's not seasoned to the taste that I want, then I will taste it to find out. And I'm also going to put my sauteed onions and peppers. I didn't have any green bell peppers, so I'm using red and yellow bell peppers today, and onions. So
Yeah, that's probably a cup what she had with her onions and celery and bell peppers. That's a cup of Trinity mix. Trinity mix or bell pepper, onions, and celery.
So that was my mixture of bell peppers. I didn't have the green bell pepper. I had red and yellow. And I also had my celery and onions all combined together. Now you use green bell pepper if you have it. I just didn't use it today because I didn't have any. And I had already stored it before I realized I didn't have any. You can use as much celery or whatever you like. So let me see how this is coming along here. I'm just trying to check and see if I have enough seasoning in it. Chicken into it.
And this a cup of chicken.
And this is the chicken, and I pulled off a chicken wing, so you know it's not very much chicken on chicken wings. So. I added the other half can of celery soup. I'm just trying to get the flavor, because this is one. This is a little bit different, and I'm trying to get a different flavor.
She's adding a pack of her onion dip mix.
Okay.
Show the box. Show the box. The box.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right, I'm getting ready to put this. She sprayed it with some butter spray. So. Okay, I'm getting ready to put it in the oven, and I'll be cooking it at 425 for the first 15-20 minutes. Then I'll put it back to 400. Thank you so much, and I'll have it ready, and I'll show it to you when I get ready, when I bring it out, in about 45 minutes to an hour, since it's so thick. Thank you. All right, I'm back with the final touches on my dressing, and this is a different another different vision of my dressing, okay? And I want you
Version. It's another version.
Okay. Another version of my dressing, okay, so. All right, so. I want you all to see it. It's very moisture and everything, so I want you all to see it, so.
And y'all, please put your own seasoning in there, and if you want sage and poultry seasoning, please put it in there. I don't know, this camera ain't doing it no justice here.
Okay, so I'll take a little taste. I'll do a tasting test for you. Yeah, but I just want you to see it's all through there. It's not hard or dry or anything. It's really moist all the way through. I just want you to see it. Very, very good. This is another one of my versions of my dressing.
Thank you to all the channel members, each and every one of y'all that support her every monthly. We appreciate it and we thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. And God bless you all. Have a nice week ahead. And this is from Miss Lena's Kitchen. And this is really, really good. And it's another one of my dressings off the chain.
It's good.
And I hope you all will take the advantage of the opportunity, because I have about 6 or 7 different dressings on. Thank you so much. Have a very blessed day. For Miss Lena without her love. Bye-bye.